Hi there, Father. I've just experienced another release of memories from my past. When my baby was taken from me, how that rooted pain was still sitting there in my stomach. And I cried, I wailed. The suffering that I've endured in my life all had purpose. And I know you caught every tear, so you must have buckets and buckets and gallons and full of my tears, my currency. I know you've watched over me my entire life, through the traumas, through the abuse. I know you were there watching. And I know I used to blame you, why you were letting these things happen to me. Why I didn't die when I should have died. Many times being raped and molested, having my soul stolen from me, my spirit, my innocence ripped away. I was very angry with you for a long time. My children taken from me. The pain. I miss my children, Father. I do hear you. Father is saying that I had to experience all this pain so that I would know and be able to understand what others go through. Because I'm able to heal them from the pain that they endured. I'm able to be their comforter. And He'll always send a comforter. There are many comforters in the world that went through exactly what you've gone through. And we're all here to help others, to love others, to free others from the captivity of the memories of the pain. Those that have stolen pieces of our souls, who have stolen our innocence, we have the power to reclaim them and bring you into wholeness. Many will live in disbelief, and many have ridiculed you. But have no fear, for I am with you. You are me, and I am you, and you are mine. So no harm, no death will come to you. We have spoken on this for many years now, and you're finally accepting the truth of who you are. And nobody can take that memory or our relationship from you ever again. No one can come close to hurting you like they did in the past. And they have been warned multiple times to stop hurting my children. Only God can help you now. So, warnings have been given for many, many years. And people have not heard my warnings. There will be no more warnings. Do not touch my anointed children anymore. For I go before them and clear their pathways. Thank you, Father, for my restoring of my heart. For loving me. For showing me the way out of this place. I'm so ready to come home. I'm so ready for change. My prayers have not gone on deaf ears. I've heard every single one. There will be no more suffering, no more pain. No more weeping. No more worry or strife. I love you, Dad.